two terms, term 1 and term 2. So when we are talking about term 1, we have chapter 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are the chapters which are there in term 1, 1, 2. And give me a minute. Let me see and then tell you so that a complete knowledge is achieved. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 5, Unit 6, 1, 2, 6, 8. These are the chapter 1, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. And term 2, we have 3, 4, 7, 9, and 10. Some we already have done. I'll take a minute here because there are some students who are really suffering from the link. So give me a minute. Okay. So is it clear to all of you? Is there any doubt? Am I audible to all of you clearly? Okay. So we all know that chapter 1 revision has been done. Okay. So chapter 2 revision, I'll be assigning somebody to go through it, and then we'll have a revision of chapter 1. So that I'll also talk about कैसे करना है. First of all, I should do the recap of chapter 10 जो हमने किया था previously. Classification and doping, मैंने बताया था कि performance enhancing substances and all that. Then physical methods, I told you about blood doping, which is of two types. That is, one is autologous and second is homologous. Can everybody switch on their cameras? Switch on your camera so that I can start with the class. Rohit and Arav, am I audible to you people, please? Am I audible, beta? Then I must be audible for others also. No, they're not switching on their cameras. This is why I'm asking why it is happening. Okay. Then gene doping, I told you. Then I've told you the prohibited substances in and out of competition, that what are allowed and what are not allowed. After that, we have done substances and their side effect, how they affect our body. Some affect our cardiovascular system, some affects our endocrinal gland, some affects our psychological system. So these are the side effects of these uh, prohibited substances. Then dealing with alcohol and substance abuse, how one can deal with this alcohol and substance abuse, कैसे इसको रोका जा सकता है या क्या किया जा सकता है कि जो अल्कोहल जो अल्कोहलिक लोग हैं या जो ड्रग्स यूज करते हैं वो छोड़ दें। तो आपने सुना होगा रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर भी इनको भेजा जाता है, वहां पे इनको डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन किया जाता है। ठीक है, या ऐसे लोगों को सीख हेल्प लेना चाहिए जो भी उनके क्लोज है उनसे। ठीक है, बिहेवियरल थेरेपी उनको देना चाहिए, मोटिवेशनल एनहांसमेंट देनी चाहिए, मेडिकेशन होना चाहिए, लीन टू द क्लोज एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स। तो ये सारी चीजें मैंने आपको बताई थी। अब मैं आ जाता हूँ चैप्टर नंबर 2 पे, जहाँ पे आई विल बी शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन टू टेल यू कि so the chapter is Olympic value education. Before that, we have done changing trends and careers in physical education. After that, we are doing Olympic value education. You all must be aware of the examination pattern which is sent by CBSE, that all the questions are going to be mostly case-based questions, and it will be MCQs only. So you don't have to write; you have to select a good answer of the options given. So the first thing which we have to do is we have to read the questions carefully. If not, the answer is gettable in one touch, then you can read it out for so many times, read it twice, thrice, and definitely if you read the question carefully, you're going to get the answer of those questions. So this is what I wanted to tell. Now the chapter 2, we are revising for our periodic test, and that is Olympic value education. In Olympic value education, the learning objectives are Olympic, Paralympics, and Special Olympics. Olympic symbol, ideal, objectives, and values of Olympism. International Olympic Committee and Indian Olympic Association. So these are the things which we are going to study in this chapter. So Olympics value education program is a practical set of learning resources designed to inspire and allow young persons to experience life values such as excellence, respect, and friendship. So these are the Olympism or value developed through Olympism: friendship, solidarity, fair play, freedom from discrimination. These are the values which are going to be developed through Olympism. Types of Olympics. There are two types of Olympics. One was the ancient Olympic Games, and second is the modern Olympic Games. So anybody can tell me what is ancient and what is modern Olympic Games? Yes. Very good. So modern means what is going on these days is modern Olympic Games, which was scheduled in Tokyo 2020, but because of this pandemic, it is happening in 21. And the ancient Olympic Games, in which it was done in ancient times at Greece. On the line of ancient Olympic Games, only this Olympic Games are happening, which are done, which are known as modern Olympic Games. So these are the two different types of Olympics we are going to start in. First of all, the ancient Olympics game. So the first Olympic games started in Olympia Valley in 776 BCE. According to this book on this knowledge, the first Olympic Games, you can write it down in your notebooks, because the question may comes that the Olympic Games held in the ancient Olympic Games held in ancient Greece. Okay. The ancient Olympic Games held in ancient Greece in 776 BC. There are some tales about the origin of games in ancient Greece. There are some stories, there are some tales which tells about the origin of ancient Olympic Games. It is believed that the natives of Olympia adored Zeus. People used to say that people of Olympia Valley, or the people of Greece, adored Zeus as a god, because once Jesus appeared on the ground of Olympia, owing to his fearful anger, the land split into pieces. So, because of his anger, the land split into pieces. The people of Olympia Valley adored Jesus as God, and they made many magnificent temple were constructed in remembrance of Jesus. Later, Hercules, the son of Zeus, started the games, and that games are known as ancient Olympic Games. Is the first story clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the first story was about Zeus. When Zeus appeared on the land of Olympia Valley, the land split into pieces because of the anger of that Zeus. So people started worshipping Zeus or adored Zeus as God, and they owing to this his fearful anger, they made many temples, and they started worshipping, and sacrifices of animals was started happening over there. Later on, the son of Zeus, whose name was Hercules, started these modern ancient Olympic Games. Is it clear to all of you? But is the story done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Understood?
sir.
So there is a second story which tells that another story was August, the king of Elis. Elis was the kingdom situated on the river Elphus. So August, the king of Elis, gave the responsibility to clean the vast table of Elis as a punishment to Hercules for his misdeed. Because Hercules was very mischievous. So the king of Elis, that was King August, August बोलते हैं उनको, the king August, he gave a punishment, he gave a duty to clean the vast table of Elis to Hercules. Hercules क्योंकि बहुत शैतान था, तो उसको किंग ऑगस्ट ने, जो कि एलिस का किंग था, उसने बोला कि आपको ये सारा स्टेबल साफ करना होगा. Because Hercules was mischievous, he used to do misdeeds, and he was very clever also. So he placed a condition before the king, and he asked, if I could be able to clean this vast table, could you be able to give me the 10th part of your animal kingdom? The king August agreed to it. So when he agreed to it, the Hercules turn the flow of river Elphus towards the stable. अब पूरे नदी के बहाव को ही बदल दिया जाए किसी भी जगह को, तो उधर की सारी गंदगी को बहा के ले जाएगी नदी. उसने क्या किया, थोड़ा टाइम लगा लेकिन उसने पूरे एल्फस रिवर के फ्लो को स्टेबल की तरफ ही टर्न कर दिया और ऑटोमेटिकली जो स्टेबल था वो साफ हो गया. सो आफ्टर दिस द किंग डिड नॉट कीप हिज प्रॉमिस. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या किया था, हरक्यूलिस किल्ड द किंग ऑगिस एंड बिकम द किंग. Hercules decided to pay penance for the crime committed and he organized Olympic Games for the first time. So, is the second story clear to all of you? Can somebody tell me the second story? What was the second story? Anybody who can voluntarily tell me the second story? Yeah, please tell. Hmm. हाँ. Kingdom. हाँ. Yes. So because he could not keep his promise, so Hercules killed king and to pay penance to his crime, क्योंकि उसने गलत काम किया था तो इसके लिए उसको penance तो pay करना था. So to pay penance to the crime committed by Hercules, he started this games and sports, and that and sport is was known as Olympics, the ancient Olympic. Is that clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बेटा.
सर इस पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड भी कुछ क्वेश्चन आ सकता है.
बेटा हाँ, जो ये चीजें हैं ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं क्योंकि पूरी जो बुक है, जो ये पूरा जो चैप्टर है वो एंसेंट और मॉडर्न ओलंपिक्स पे ही है. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर इससे भी कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो डेफिनेटली आ सकता है. कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है. सो यस, इट कैन बी. Okay, according to another story which is not in this PDF, but I would like to share. There was a king whose name was Onomus. Okay, there was a king whose name was Onomus. Onomus was the king of Elis. ये kings बदलते हैं, आपको पता होगा. So Onomus was the king of Elis. He had a very beautiful daughter whose name was Hippodamia. What was the name of the king's daughter? Yeah, Hippodamia. Hippodamia was a extraordinary beautiful girl, and because his father, the king Onomus, wanted him to marry to a person who is extraordinarily brave, so that he can save her daughter from any of the problems. Because she was a queen, because she was daughter of a king, so many people might attack the kingdom, or there are many enemies of the kings. You might be aware of that. So he wanted somebody who is stronger. What caste, what creed he belongs to, he don't have to bother for that. He wanted to marry with a person who is very brave, very strong, so that he can save her daughter. So he make the announcement that the person who could kidnap Hippodamia and he could kidnap Hippodamia will get a chance to marry her. So in that try, 13 people lost their life because it was not easy to kidnap a king's daughter from her kingdom. Is it easy job? Is it an easy job taking a daughter from her kingdom? No, it's not an easy job. So 13 people were killed because they were not that clever, they were not that strong. Strength only alone cannot make you a king. You need to have a clever mind also. So there was a young lad of the same place whose name was Pelops. उसका नाम था Pelops. तो जो Pelops था वो he was very brave, very cunning and very smart guy. So what he did, he had a chat with the charioteer of the king. जो सारथी होते हैं जो रथ चलाते हैं उनको charioteer बोलते हैं. And he molded him and he took out the axle of the king's chariot. And because it was a race which has to conduct, and उसने क्या किया कि उसके जो किंग है उसके रथ से जो एक्सल होता है जो पहिए को रोक के रखता होगा, है देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, पुराने लकड़ी के रथ होते थे, इसमें लकड़ी के पहिए होते थे और उसमें एक लकड़ी का एक्सल लगा होता था जिसके ऊपर वो पहिया बाहर नहीं आता था, जो सपोर्ट करता था व्हील को. देखा आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो उसको निकालने में वो सफल रहा. And he you know made a treaty with the charioteer, and in the race the wheel of the king's chariot came off and he fell down, and in that process the head of the king was chopped off. उसका जो head था वो कट गया. So the Pelops was able to kidnap Hippodamia, and he killed the king also, but the blame did not came on his head because he purposely did not kill the king. He did it purposely, but in the minds of people it was not a crime. वो रेस में मारा गया है ना. So that way he could get married to Hippodamia, and he killed the king also, so he became the king of Hellas. So to celebrate the dual success, he started the Olympic Games. So मैं आपको दोबारा से बता देता हूँ कि according to the third story, there was a king whose name was Onomus, had an extraordinary beautiful daughter whose name was Hippodamia. King wanted Hippodamia to marry to a person who is brave and strong, who could save her from all the problems or all the attacks from the enemies. So he placed a condition over the countrymen that the person who could kidnap Hippodamia will get a chance to get married to her. So 13 people tried to kidnap her, but they were killed mercilessly by the king. There was a lad who was very brave and courageous, whose name was Pelops. What was his name? Pelops. So Pelops was very courageous and cunning and very smart. So he had a talk with the charioteer of the king, and he could make him into his influence, and he took out the axle of the wheel, and that way while racing, while in the race, the wheel of the king chariot came off and he fell down and he lost his throat. He lost his head. So his throat was chopped off, and that way the king was killed, and he could kidnap Hippodamia. He became the king also, and he could marry Hippodamia also. To celebrate the dual success, he started this modern ancient Olympic Games. Any doubts? I should revise. First story was about Zeus. When Zeus arrived on the land of Olympia, the land split into pieces, and because of the anger of the Zeus, the land split into pieces. So to get rid of the anger of Zeus, people started worshipping Zeus as God, and many magnificent temples were constructed, and they started offering the sacrifices of animals and all that. So that was story one. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second story was very good. The second story was about Hercules. पहले स्टोरी से हरक्यूलिस का नाम आ जाता है. That in the remembrance of Zeus, the son of Zeus, Hercules started these Olympic Games. Second वाले में Hercules से related है. The king August, the king of Hellas, because of the misdeed of Hercules, he gave a duty to clean the vast stable of Elis as a punishment to Hercules. But Hercules was very clever and cunning, so he placed a condition before the king that if he could if he could clean the vast stable, he could offer him the 10th part of his animal dynasty or the kingdom. So the king agreed because he was very courageous, brave, and he was very cunning. He turned the flow of the river Elphus towards the uh, stable. So that way, the stable got by itself, and see it. One way you can say that the Hercules has did nothing, but the other way, yeah, he did. Turning the flow of a river towards something is a very tough job, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it a very tough job? Turning the flow of a river to the place you want. It's a very tough job. But the king thought that no, it is done by the river. But river itself cannot do it. It was Hercules who turned the flow of the river. So he denied, or he could not keep his promise. The king could not keep his promise. So Hercules killed the king, and he became the king of Elis, and that way, to pay penance for his crime committed, he conducted the ancient Olympic Games. The second story. Third, I told about Hippodamia story. I think it was clear to you, or you want me to tell you again? You remember the Hippodamia story?
Yes, sir.
The fourth story is wrestling took place between gods and goddesses of on the earth, that they wanted to know who will lead the earth, or who will be the honor of the earth. So wrestling took place between Zeus and Coronis, in which Zeus become the winner. जो Zeus god और goddesses में हुआ, तो Coronis जो थी वो goddess थी, और Zeus जो थे वो god थे. They had a fight, they had a wrestling in each other. So obviously women or men fight होगा तो men will win. So Zeus become the winner. To celebrate the victory, the sports and games were started. So what I was saying, that Zeus, to celebrate the victory of Zeus, the games and sports in the Olympia Valley started. So that is another story of how the ancient Olympic Games started. ठीक है? Is all the four stories clear to you people?
Yes, sir.
Acha, Ayush Dabas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Ayush, can you please tell me the first story of the ancient Olympic Games?
Yes, sir. Sir, was a king named Zeus, and when he arrived on the earth split into pieces. When he arrived in the land of Olympia, it split into pieces because of his anger, and people, fearing his anger, made magnificent temples, prayed for him, and worshipped him. So, in celebration of that, Hercules started Olympic Games.
In remembrance of his father,
Yes.
Hercules started. Remembrance का मतलब होता है, इसका मतलब है कि जो Zeus थे was no more at that time. ठीक है? So in remembrance of his father Zeus, Hercules started games and sports, which was known as ancient Olympic Games. Clear?
Yes.
Beta, is the four stories clear to all of you, or should I tell you once more? I want the answers from everybody. Is it clear to all of you? The origin of ancient Olympic
Yes, sir.
Games? Okay. After that, there were the rules. See, पता ही आपको कोई भी game sport होता है तो उसके कुछ rules होते हैं. So there were some rules of the ancient Olympic Games. The first rule was the competitor must be a Greek. जो competitor है वो Greek का होना चाहिए, Greece का होना चाहिए, completely from a Hellenic race, और वो Hellenic होना चाहिए, and must be physically fit. ये तीन condition पहले में है कि he must be a Greek, he must be from Hellenic race, and he must be punished, he must be physically fit also. So जो एंसेंट ग्रीस का जो ओलंपिक्स हुआ करते थे, तो एंसेंट ओलंपिक्स वो केवल ग्रीस के लोग ही पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे, और मोर ओवर देयर शुड बी फ्रॉम हेलेनिक रेस, ठीक है, एंड फिजिकली फिट. द सेकेंड इज सेवेजेस एंड पनिश्ड पर्सन्स वर नॉट अलाउड. जो भी सेवेजेस होते थे, पनिश्ड पर्सन्स होते थे, स्लेव्स होते थे, they were not allowed to participate in the games and sports. The competitor had to stay in Olympia Valley. जो competitor होते थे उनको ओलंपिया वैली में 1 महीने के लिए रहना होता था, and they also have to take an oath that they are practicing since 10 months in the Olympia Valley. अगर ओलंपिया वैली के बाहर के लोग होते थे तो उनको एक ओथ लेना होता था that they are practicing from last 10 months, and at least 1 month prior to the competition they have to be present at Olympia Valley. The women were not allowed to participate into Olympic Games. ठीक है. For participating in games, participants had to practice for 1 month. ये बता ही दिया मैंने आपको. और the professionals were not allowed to participate. Only the players were allowed to participate in the ancient Olympic Games. आपको समझ आ गया? मैं दोबारा बता दूं. पहला था कि जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे, एक तो ग्रीक के होने चाहिए, हेलेनिक रेस के होने चाहिए, फिजिकली फिट होने चाहिए. स्लेव्स, सेवेजेस और पनिश्ड पीपल वर नॉट अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. ठीक है. वुमेन्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. वुमेन वर नॉट अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. वुमेन के बाद है अमेचर्स वर अलाउड टू पार्टिसिपेट. द प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर्स, द प्रोफेशनल्स were not allowed to participate. उसके बाद मैंने आपको बताया कि 1 month practice is must in Olympia Valley, and they also have to note that they are practicing from at least 10 months. ठीक है, clear है?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद opening ceremony in the games. All the players, their family members have to assemble in the auditorium, and that's what of the sports and games used to make them take an oath. वहाँ पे एक take oath लिया जाता था that the all games and I'll be abide by the rules and regulations and I'll follow all the rules and regulations. ये oath होता था. उसके बाद a pig was killed as a ritual and was offered to Zeus Heracles. उनका नाम Zeus Heracles था, जिनको एक पिग को किल करके और ऑफर किया जाता था. Only one by one all the players used to come out of the sports arena and the players were introduced to the spectators. Any spectators who have any problem with any of the players were not allowed to participate. मान लो किसी भी को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, ओके आयुष दबास he is going to participate in athletics, और किसी स्पेक्टेटर को आयुष दबास से प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो कहेंगे कि ठीक है he is not going to participate, तो वो नहीं पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता था. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
After that the declaration was made to start the games. उसके बाद जो games थे वो start होते थे. उसके बाद आता है awards. In this ancient Olympic Games, less attention was given to or paid to awards, and food grains, animals were given to the players as award. Statues of the player were made. ठीक है. और उसके बाद crowns of olive leaves were made and it was given to the winners to recognized कि अच्छा इसने कोई जीता है तभी इसने crown पहना है. ठीक है. A crown of olive leaves was made to give the winners. Statues were also made of the winners. Poems were also composed in praise of winners, and their names were recorded in the annals of history. ठीक है. Even the players used to participate in these games for respect and honor and not for the sake of awards. ठीक है. तो ये था food grains, animals, crown of olive leaves, statues were made, poems were कंपोज्ड और ये सारे इसके अवार्ड्स थे, ठीक है। उसके बाद आता है हमारा मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स। यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? इज एनी डाउट टिल नाउ?
In the first story of ancient Olympic Games, the Zeus was the god.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
तो इसके बाद हम मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स को नेक्स्ट डे करेंगे, सो दैट हमारे को ज्यादा ना हो जाए। अंडरस्टूड? Am I audible to all of you? Please switch on your cameras, everyone. All the 4 stories, rules of the competitions, award of the competition, oath of the competition. Is it quite clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I have to take your attendance. So after 19, 22. After 22, there is no class of yours. After 22nd, there is no class of you people, or I have not taken the attendance. Okay. I want everybody to switch on the cameras. I will take a screenshot for the attendance. I want everybody to switch on your cameras, please, if I'm audible to all of you. But is there any doubt in the ancient Olympic Games? Anybody who has joined from A section whose name is not there, please let me know so that I can write your name. Some of us, you have joined late in A section especially. So the names which I have is Shreya Mishra, Gautam Kakkad, Bhavya Bhardwaj, Vanshika Mittal, Shivansh Deswal, and Arunita Verma. Is there anybody else from A section? Arav.
Sir, Daman
Anybody
Ahuja.
else? Yeah, anybody else?
Sir, Daman Ahuja.
Okay, anybody else? No one? Okay, beta. This time it is not about the subjective questions and answers. You all have to pay attention to the topics. So topic है ancient Olympics, उसमें क्या stories है, क्या उसमें rules regulations है, क्या awards है, इनसे आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. If you are preparing chapter 3, then you have to be very alert that I will be giving a case-based question. There is an athlete who runs this kilometer, or he has very good this type of muscles, and he's capable of doing all this. So what type of muscles he have? What he is good at? So he's good at endurance or muscular strength or strength. Body compositions क्या क्या है? So इस type के questions आपसे ज़्यादा पूछे जाएंगे. Rather than कि what is physical education, what is aim of physical education, no. ठीक है? और वैसे क्वेश्चन ज्यादा पूछे जाएंगे जिसके आंसर्स गूगल में नहीं हो. तो आप कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अपने बुक पे ध्यान रखिए. Do not rely on Google, because if any of the answer is found in Google the same answer और थोड़ा घुमा फिरा के भी, the examiner is that much educated, that much experienced, that he may find it out that this answer is never taught by me, it may be never taught by anybody from outside the coaches or the I mean to say जो भी हम coaching classes join करते हैं वहां पे. So the teachers are very very experienced, they are teaching since 20 30 or 15 years, they are godfather into it. So if you want to, or if you try to fool them, that's your biggest mistake. I have a list of 12 students who have cheated in 12th and their result has made 0. अभी जो रिसेंट करंट ईयर 21-22 का जो 12th है, जिन्होंने एक आंसर गूगल से चीट किया, एंड पीजीटी ग्रुप पे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. सो प्लीज, it's a request not to cheat, because if you're going to cheat, you are going to be at trouble, and I don't want my child to be at trouble. आप मेरे से पूछिए, 100 बार पूछिए, I'll be answering you. किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, that I have told you, that case based is the thing on which we have to emphasize. कोई भी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा that what is physical education, understood, what is Olympics, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं आएगा. उसको घुमा के फिरा के आएगा कि at the time of ancient Olympics, people used to take some substances to enhance their sporting performances. What were those substances? Do you agree that the doping is done? Yes, beta Ayush?
There are different types of drugs.
No, these are not the answer. The answer is opium and mushrooms. जो एंसेंट टाइम में ओपियम और मशरूम्स लेते थे लोग, और हर्बल बेवरेजेस भी लेते थे. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बदले जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, करंट अफेयर से भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपका, जो अभी करंट हमारा चल रहा है ओलंपिक्स, इससे भी आपको थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप फिजिकल एजुकेशन के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो आप ये नहीं कहेंगे कि आपको पढ़ाया नहीं गया है, इट इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. तो करंट अफेयर से भी 1-2 क्वेश्चंस लिए जा सकते हैं 1 मार्कर्स में. और किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकता है, अदरवाइज आई एम गोइंग टू वाइंड अप. एनीबॉडी हु हैज दिस आस्क. बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट है, क्वेश्चन कैसे आएंगे या क्या किन चीजों पे ज्यादा हमें ध्यान देना है, या कुछ भी आपको पूछना है? यस बेटा.
सर एक बार आपने जितने भी पीपीटी बनाए हैं एक बार फिर से ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे?
ठीक है, मैं क्लास वाइज पीपीटीज आपको ग्रुप पे भेज देता हूँ. मैंने फिजिकल एजुकेशन का ग्रुप पे ना आपको लिंक भेजा है, कंप्यूटर वाले ग्रुप पे, तो यू कैन ज्वाइन फिजिकल एजुकेशन ग्रुप.
एक्चुअली अभी ज्वाइन किया है तो कोई पीछे पहले का कोई दिखने
नहीं आएगा. हाँ ठीक है, मैं पीपीटीज भेज देता हूँ, इट विल बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ठीक है,
यस सर.
हाँ जी, मैं भेज देता हूँ. और नेक्स्ट क्लास में जब भी आपका नेक्स्ट क्लास होगा, दैट इज ऑन वेडनेसडे आई गेस. सो होमवर्क फॉर दैट डे आई शुड गिव. सो द होमवर्क इज फॉर सम ऑफ यू, ज्यादा नहीं होगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा होगा. आप सबसे पहले आप प्रैक्टिकल फाइल बना लीजिए, क्योंकि जो सितंबर अक्टूबर या नवंबर में जो आपके एग्जाम होंगे, which will be conducted by most probably by CBSE, तो उसमें हमें आपका प्रैक्टिकल लेना होगा. ठीक है, वाइवा लेना होगा. तो आपको प्रैक्टिकल फाइल बनानी है, जो कि आपके फिजिकल एजुकेशन के पेज में दिया हुआ प्रैक्टिकल फाइल, क्या क्या कंटेंट है. और प्रैक्टिकल फाइल, फिजिकल एजुकेशन का प्रैक्टिकल फाइल अगर आप खरीदेंगे तो आपको उसमें सारा दिया होता है, आपको जस्ट कॉपी करना होता है. कॉपी, राइट डाउन विद योर हैंड, photocopy the pictures and paste it. While pasting it, name it. It is most important कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. योगा का बना रहे हो तो आसना का नाम क्या है, आसना का ओरिजिन क्या है, बेनिफिट क्या है, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस क्या है, प्रोसीजर क्या है. इतना एनलार्ज करिए एक टॉपिक को कि कम से कम 5 पेज, एक प्रैक्टिकल 5 से 7 पेज में हो. ये नहीं कि एक ही पेज में सारा प्रैक्टिकल कर दिया तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी गुड। आप एक में करिए प्रोसीजर ऑफ योगासना, दूसरा में करिए बेनिफिट्स ऑफ योगासना, तीसरा में करिए पिक्चर चाहे सेम चिपकाते रहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। या प्रोसीजर में आप खड़े में, बैठे में, उस आसना को परफॉर्म करने में वो पिक्चर्स डिफरेंटली पेस्ट करते रहिए। बेनिफिट ऑफ आसना, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन ऑफ आसना। आप कई बार गूगल में जाएंगे तो नी पेन पे ना नी में रेड मार्क करके दिखाता है, तो वो बता देगा अच्छा रेड मार्क इन द नी मींस, या मसल में रेड फाइबर्स शो करता है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे इसको प्रॉब्लम है। तो कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन में जिस मसल को प्रॉब्लम है और वो इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना चाहिए, तो आप उसका फोटो खींच के उधर पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो जिसका आपको ध्यान रखना है। मेक अ फाइल एंड आपका जो होमवर्क है ये यही है जो मैंने पढ़ाया है आपसे एक एक करके सारा पूछ सकता हूँ, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू डू द फ्लिप टीचिंग, सो you be prepared for it. Okay beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so please you may leave the class now. Thank you so much. I'll be sharing the PDF with you people. Okay.